Hello, testing, testing. Bam. Hello. Good morning. Or afternoon or evening, wherever you are. We're back doing some Google interview questions. Last time we did minimum number of increments to form a subarray, to form a target array, excuse me. You just keep looking at the previous one, right? If you can be formed with the previous one, I guess. What else did we do? Huh. Alright. Do we feel like doing another hard question today? Lexicographically smallest beautiful string. You know what? Screw it. Let's do a hard problem. 2663. LeetCode 2663. Nice. Okay. A string is beautiful if it consists of the first k letters of the English lowercase alphabet. It consists only of the first k letters? Okay. Of the English lowercase alphabet. It does not contain any substring. It does not contain any substring of length 2 or more, which is a palindrome. Okay. Does not contain any substring of length 2 or more, which is a palindrome. Doesn't that just mean no two same characters in a row? Where are we getting a palindrome of? 2. You're given a beautiful string S of length M. Okay, so like, I guess, for example, BAB will be illegal, I guess. Sure. You're given a beautiful string S of length N and a positive integer K. Okay. Return the lexicographically smallest string of length N. Right, you're already given a beautiful string S of length N and a positive integer K. Return the lexicographically smallest string of length N, which is larger than S. Oh, okay, so you're building on S of length N. What? I'm so confused. The smallest string. Why are we talking about smallest string? But it's larger than S. And we already know what the length is going to be. Why is it called the smallest if we already know what the length is going to be? The length is supposed to be N, right? Which is larger than S and is beautiful. If there's no such string, return an empty string. Oh, here. They gave the definition of lexicographically bigger or smaller. A string A is lexicographically larger than a string B of the same length. If in the first position where A and B differ, A has a character strictly larger than the corresponding character in B. For example, ABCD is lexicographically larger than BCD. Okay. Because the first position they differ is at the fourth character, and D is greater than C. Got you, okay. That's what they mean by lexicographically larger. Return the lexicographically smallest string of length N, which is larger than S and is beautiful, okay. Input is ABCZ, K is equal to 26. What? What's K? What the frick is K? And a positive integer K. What do we do with K? It consists of the first K letter. Oh, okay. So we can basically use any letter here. Okay. Oh, my brain hurts. Only use the first K letters. Does not contain. Tweak says, am I the only one here? Probably. Hello, Satweak, welcome to the stream. I'm doing a LeetCode hard problem, and I'm barely understanding the question. It does not contain any substring of length 2 or more, which is a palindrome. How do you even check? So basically no cases like BAB, stuff like that. Okay. Return the lexicographically smallest string length n, which is larger than s and is beautiful. If there is no such string, return an empty string. Okay, right. Lexicographically means it comes after an order. Satwik says, let's go, I'll solve with you. Oh, hey, let's go. Okay. So here in the example, it says A, B, C, Z, K equals 26. We can use basically any letter, right? There's 26 letters, right? Okay. A, B, D, A. Okay. Because I imagine you can't do anything with Z, right? So you would... Oh, this is like adding 1, isn't it? Return the lexicographically smallest string length n, which is larger than s. This is kind of like incrementing 1 in an integer, isn't it? You add 1 here, it turns to A. You add 1 here, it turns to D. Kind of carry over. Marissa says, hello, sorry that I wasn't there the last streams. The messages for it came way late. Oh, no worries, no need to apologize. Yeah, there's no need to apologize for it. It's okay. But yeah, problem very difficult now. LeetCode hard. I'm getting the sense that... This is kind of like incrementing an integer, is it not? You kind of add... You try to add like A here. You try to add 1 letter up here, you can't, so you go back to A. You try to add 1 letter up, that's D. Yeah, you know? And then I guess you have to check if the letters around it are the same, else keep incrementing, I guess. Yeah. The string ABDA is beautiful and lexicographically larger than the string ABCZ. It can be proven that there's no string that is lexicographically larger than the string ABCZ. Okay, beautiful and lexicographically smaller than the string ABDA. What about here, DC? K is 4. Dang, this problem is actually hard. DC and is beautiful. Why not? So, first characters are what? A, B, C, D. Oh, okay. We can only use up to D. So what we do here is we increment D. We increment C to D, right? But we can't do that, so we increment it to back to A, I suppose. And we try to increment D. This is tricky as heck. What happens if we have some really ugly example like A, B, C, Z, Z, or... Man, I already regret trying this question. This is so hard. Jesus. Oh, let me start my timer, by the way. Which is completely off. Okay, let's say I try this for 10 minutes. If I can't get this in 10 minutes, I'll take a peek at the solution. Okay, what do we do here? So, what's the plan? Okay, to increment a number, return the lexicographically smallest string of n, which is larger than s. N is beautiful. The smallest string length of n. Lexicographically, basically the next one lexicographically to this one, right? So what I think we should do is, start from rightmost character to leftmost. And I'm gonna add 1 and carry over. Yeah, keep carrying over if necessary. Marissa says, I had a stroke trying to read the description of this thing. I know, right? It's hard. I appreciate your sympathy. I spelled necessary wrong. Okay, so this takes care of... Oh wait, add 1, keep carrying forward if necessary. So we have to be wary of using only first K. Loop if necessary, like wrap. Yeah. Okay, we have to wrap around if necessary. It does not contain any substring of length 2 or more, which is a palindrome. Do we always wrap? Like for here. Do we actually wrap to A? Like A here? I think so, right? Because there's no other way we can make just the next lexicographically biggest one. This will be DAA. Because what? If we put B here, then there could be a smaller one. Yeah, lexicographically smallest string length n, which is larger than s. We want the one just bigger than it. Okay, so I think we always do wrap. Let me make this bigger. Jesus. Okay, I think we do wrap. Yeah, we always wrap. From Z to A, or whatever K is. Okay, which is larger than S and is beautiful. First K letters does not contain any substring length 2 or more, which is a palindrome. Okay, this is what's getting me. 2 or more. Length 2 or more, which is a palindrome. 2 or more. So is the 2 inclusive in this case? That means I cannot have a Z over here. That's inclusive, isn't it? So AA wouldn't work over here. How do we take care of the AA? So at first we're like, okay, Z, increment Z, A, okay, that's fine. But we have to carry over, right? So we do another A over here. Mohit says, hey. Hello, Mohit. How are you doing? So what's the option to go for here? How do we increment this so that it's not a palindrome anymore? Wait, what does it even mean like this? Which is larger than S and is beautiful. So if we can't find a one that is immediately beautiful, do we just immediately return false or something? Or do we actually have to find the next lexicographically beautiful one? Huh. Also, give me one moment while I log into LeetCode. I always forget to log in. We back. But yeah, I'm so curious. They don't provide an example of what happens if we come across a palindrome. Is it this one? DT? And over in login data. Okay, let's return, just as a bogus value, return nothing. Mohit says, hi, I want to solve DSA together. You mean data structures and algorithms together? Oh, maybe after this one. Assuming I don't spend the entire stream on this one. Yeah. Okay. I'm so curious what happens in the case of ABZZ. Can we try running this? Is it going to give us the expected value? Case 1, expected beautiful to have value from 1 to 1 only. Excuse me? What? Expected beautiful to have value from 1 to 1 only. What is it talking about? I have no clue what it's talking about. Invalid test case. Why is it invalid though? So this is okay? Expected ABDA. Okay, can I not modify this? Oh, because we expect it to already be beautiful. Oh, so this is an impossible input. Oh, shizzle. So we don't have to take care of this? It's impossible to have multiple Z's in a row. What if we do though? I guess we would increment this to B, I guess? Is that the expectation? ABCZB, okay, got you. ABCZ, huh. So it's actually impossible for it. Okay, so we don't have to worry about this case. This is like freaking impossible. Marissa says, fun fact, DSA in Germany is a short version of Das, I have no idea how to read German, Schwarz Auge, which means the black guy, which is a board game like D&D. Oh, interesting. Why do you guys call it the black guy? Do games get so heated that you guys fight each other? Okay, so I'm trying to figure out what the worst case is that I could come across, so I can watch out for, like, you know, edge cases. So it turns out you cannot, it's impossible to have multiple Z's here, so you don't have to worry about like multiple carries and like palindromes and whatnot, at least to that extent. What if you potentially can have a palindrome like ABCZB? What happens to this? So you try to increment to C, right? You try to increment this to C and you're like, oh, no, it's a palindrome, so you try to increment this to D instead. Yeah, okay. That should be the solution, right? Let's see what they say about this. My prediction is ABCZD. Yeah, okay. That makes a ton of sense. Okay. Okay. You know what? This is starting to make sense. Is it always? Is there a case where we would have to increment the, I don't know, like the third character or something? What if we have Z, Y? Then this would become carryover, so A, and then, wait. A and Z. Yeah, that's what's going on, right? Is there ever a case where we have to... Is there ever a case where we have to like even modify the third one? I don't see a case where that's possible. This becomes A, B, C, Z, A. Okay. Wait, isn't this... Okay, this is starting to come together in my mind. Is it possible? Okay, start from the rightmost character to the left. Yes. Add 1 and keep carrying over if necessary. Yeah. Be wary of using only the first K wrap if necessary. Yeah, okay. And... yeah, keep carrying over. So if the character is the same as the left character, or it's the same as the left character, then you increment another time, I guess. Okay. If the character is the same as the left character, again, I'm trying to think of a way. Is it possible for us to increment a character in the middle? Is it even possible to carry over that much? Because we would have to have something like Z and then Z to carry over again. I don't think so, is it? So we just have to check the left character and the left character, don't we? Oh, I know, unless... Wait, actually, I don't know. Is it possible to carry over that much? I'm really trying to think of an example right now, but I can't think of one. There's no way, right? This would carry over just to the left character. This would not carry over at all. Oh wait. I see an example. So this would go to Z. Oh, I see it. I think I spot the edge case. Okay, I'm glad I'm doing this. So this would become Z. But then they're like, oh no, we can't have Z over here. So add 1 here, add 1 here, add 1 here. I see it. Oh no. Morris says, didn't you said earlier you only want to spend 10 minutes in that problem? Oh, yeah, I missed the time. Thanks for reminding me. Okay. Yeah. Let's take a peek at the solutions. Man, I regret doing a hard problem. They don't even have an editorial for this. Holy, no solutions. Okay, it's okay. Let's take a look at some other people's solutions. Moet says, can I do a personal plugin of my own website/platform? What's the website/platform? You can see the profile pic on the top right. Code Battle? What is Code Battle? Brute beats 100%, very easy. Sure, I'm curious. That seems relevant to what we're doing too. You can send it. What the frick? It's this easy? You can do DSA with anyone in a room. Oh, very cool. Int n is equal to s.length. Okay. Character array is equal to s.character array. Okay, makes sense. Array n minus 1 plus plus. Oh, dang. You can just increment it like this. For int I is equal to n minus 1. Okay, so they're starting from the right. They just incremented the rightmost character for every character from right to left if the character is equal to a plus k, meaning, yeah, it's on the boundary. Array I minus minus is equal to a. Okay, so yeah, they wrap around over here. That sentence in the sense of a board game just sounds terrible. No, it says like, anyone in your stream can join you live. It's completely free. It's my passion project. Okay, sure, send it over. I did say you can send it over. It seems relevant to what we're doing, so yeah. If I is less than 0, return. Wait, what's the reasoning for this? Okay, so if you just wrapped around, right, and you want to carry over, and you can't, got you, then return else array plus plus. Okay, why is this not a loop? For int, okay, this is a loop. One moment, let me finish reading this first, and then I'll look at code battle. I is equal to n minus 1, while I is less than n. Int I is equal to n minus 1, while I is less than n. Oh, wait, hold on, I don't get it. Why is the condition this? I less than n. We keep decrementing I, don't we? Or is this I plus plus? Okay, sure. I guess we're pretty optimistic it won't reach 0. Array I plus plus, okay. Okay, so this is if we go out of bounds, right? We set the current I to A. And if we can't carry over, we return empty. And then we increment the next one. Got you. Okay. Okay. I think I understood this loop. Wait, hold on. Never mind. What is this? Else if I is greater than 0. Okay, so if I is inbounds and the array I is equals to array. Okay, so this is where we have a palindrome. So if we have a double palindrome, 2-character palindrome, or I is greater than 1, 0, 1. So we're at least at 2. Okay. And array I is equal to array. Got you. So this is a 3-letter palindrome. Array I plus plus. Yeah, okay, so we increment myself again. Else I plus plus. Okay. I plus plus. Wait, why are we I plus plusing? Wait, why are we I plus plusing? I is less than n. Oh. Wait. In what case will we want to go backwards again? Like to the right. Here is I minus minus is equal to A. Okay, I think I get the general idea. I might need to walk through some stuff with this. Mohit says search code battle. Okay, code battle. I may have heard that before actually. Maybe it's another site. Well, code battle. Not battlegrounds, battle. It auto-completed for me. Code battle? Is it this one? Hey Mohit, is it this one? codebattle.in, 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 code and compete with your friends. Oh, very cool. Wait, this looks like LeetCode. Is it actually LeetCode? Give me a moment while I sign in. I'm not showing you guys my login credentials. Design is inspired. Oh, do you guys actually leverage LeetCode for this, or? You will get 30 minutes to solve 3 easy problems. Create a room. Oh, wait, are these actually LeetCode questions? They're your own questions? Oh, you made your own questions for these? Dang, how'd you do that? Isn't it really tedious to make your own questions? It takes a lot of effort. Wait, this is a lot like... Ooh. This is a lot like Leet Rooms, is it not? Greedy Dungeon. ChatGPT. That's really impressive. You had ChatGPT make your own questions? Test cases is rough. It's tough. Oh. Wait, so... Oh, I just realized you can't see my screen. Bam, there it is. Thanks, Marissa. So, all of these coding questions are generated with ChatGPT, including the test cases, you mean? Jesus, people already joined. I'm probably not going to do a battle, by the way. I still have to solve that hard question that I'm attempting. But I'm just going to see what it's like, you know? I'm so curious what the questions are going to be like. Problem statement via ChatGPT. Dang, how are people? Test cases via Codeforces experts. Oh, so, okay, the test cases are via real people. Okay, again, guys, I don't want to get your hopes up. I'm not actually gonna do the battle. I still have to finish that question that I was working on. How do we start? Do people have to say that you're ready? Marissa says, I'm gonna be so effed. Find closest number to 0. How do I change my note? Oh, Java to here. Oh, cool. You guys support C++ and Java. Man, I still need to do that problem I was working on. I'm gonna forget how that problem works by the time I get back. Fine, maybe I'll solve one problem. Given an integer nums of size n, return the number with value closest to 0. If there are multiple answers, return the number with the largest value. If there are multiple answers, what? What? This doesn't make sense. Wait, Mohit, this kind of doesn't make sense. I mean, return the number with the... Oh, never mind. It makes sense, Mohit. I was wrong. It makes sense. Gibbray says, wait, that's just a LeetCode question. Wait, no, this makes sense, actually. Okay. So I guess we just go through the entire array, find the absolute value of the difference between it and 0, and if that's already the max difference, return. We're biased towards the positive number rather than the negative number. That's what this line means, right? Yeah. 1, okay. Okay, I think I know how this works. Int closest distance is equal to integer dot. Oh wow, there's autocomplete here. Max value int closest is equal to nada. Is this actually a real LeetCode question? 2239? 2239. Oh, it is. Hey, Mohit, what's going on with that? Mohit, this is a real LeetCode question. Did ChatGPT actually generate this? Or int num in nums. Int distance is equal to what? Math.absolute value. What? 0 minus num. If the distance is greater than the closest distance, I just realized it should be the min value. Wow, Satwik submitted. Very nice. Wait, Satwik is here? Ooh. Can we update the closest distance is equal to the current distance, and the closest is now equal to the current number. Okay, special case. Else if the distance is equal to the closest distance. Oh, I'm sure you're on the right track, Sadwick. You got this, you got this. Distance is equals to closest distance. And the number is greater, right? And this should also be integer.min underscore value to support our cause. And num is greater than closest. Then we do the exact same thing, don't we? Hey, nice going, Satwik. Closest distance is equal to distance. Return closest. I could probably combine these conditions, but why do I feel like I'm spelling closest wrong? Submit. Oh wait, I should have just ran it first, huh? No, cannot find symbol. Where? I spelled closest wrong. No. Did I spell wrong the entire time? Cannot find symbol closest distance, the else if. Closest distance on line 17. What? Line 17? Distance is equal to closest distance. Cannot find symbol. Line 16. Did I spell wrong again? Oh no, the spellings. Else if. Do not trust the line number? Oh, okay. Okay, I just can't spell on my own end. Wrong answer. 7. Oh, I'm so dumb. It has to be less than. No. Oh, I got this completely backwards. It should be max value. Hey, let's go. Hey, apparently I solved it. Very cool. Alright, I might submit this to LeetCode too, just to get some points on LeetCode. This is literally a LeetCode question, isn't it? This is pretty nice. I guess some feedback I could give is, dang, why is there so many people here? How do people even find this? Yeah, the feedback you get when you run is pretty good. There's kind of no visual feedback when you... Oh, all rooms are public, okay. There's kind of no visual feedback when you submit. Maybe make like accepted also over here. It's kind of just blank, you know? Alright. LeetCode 2239. LeetCode 2239. Find closest number to 0. It's literally this one. I can get some points on LeetCode now. Marissa says, I gave up. I have no idea what I tried there anymore. Oh, there is supposed to be a response for result? Okay. Never mind. Then that's good that you're working on it then. Otherwise, it's pretty good. Nice going, man. Very cool. So all rooms are public. Okay. What if I just want to compete with like friends or like VTuber collabs? Yeah, this is really cool, by the way. Very nice. How do I exit out of this? Bam. Am I allowed to choose like specific problems? I guess no, that's fine. Leet rooms, you can't do that either. Okay. We should return to this problem that we're working on. Oh, that was a nice break, actually. I basically solved one LeetCode easy. Okay. Time for the pain of this hard question. Every time you tilt your head to the left and right, it looks like your head is disconnected. Really? Yeah. The rigging is kind of weird. Chiropractor. Okay. This problem. No. No. Okay, just so y'all can see the question still. gonna put it here, and then the solution here. Okay, so they tried to increment the last character. I think we were actually on the right track, yeah? I just got really confused. Okay, so we go from the start, from the back to the start, right? If array I is equal to a plus k, meaning we're past the boundary, then you set your current equal to a, you wrap back around, and you try to, you increment your, yeah, okay. And then you try to increment your next character. Okay, sure. And then you loop back around in that case. Yeah, okay. Sure. What are these cases though? This case is if it's a palindrome, right? If it's a palindrome of any kind, wait a minute. My brain, it hurts. Code I'll drag to here. So what happens if we have like A, B, C, Z? So we try to increment Z, right? It goes to whatever, like whatever character after Z, and then we're like, okay, this is past the bounds, so we set it to A. Yeah, we set it to A. We check if it's inbounds, we decrement I, and then I++ as well. So we have D over here. Okay. And then we go back to here. And we're like, is I less than n minus 1? Wait, I less than n? Yeah, it is. So we go here. This is not a palindrome. How do we check for palindromes? So it's not a palindrome. Yeah, okay. Definitely not a palindrome. And then I++. So we're going back to A now. Okay. So every loop we're assuming that we've already incremented whatever we wanted to increment. Okay. I is less than n. Yeah, I++. I don't get why we do I++ though. What's the meaning of this? Oh, we check again if it's a palindrome. That's it, right? Yeah, okay. We check again if it's a palindrome. Got you, okay. Pacmaz says, are you in Unity? Are in uni? Oh, am I in university? Nope, I already graduated. I am job hunting. Okay, I think I'm starting to see it. Okay. Basically, okay. What happens if we go to that case, that really weird case, like, what? W, Z, W, Y, Z, Y, W, X, Y, Z. I forgot my alphabets for a second. The solution is hard to understand. It's too simplified for a hard problem, says Gabri. I think I'm close to understanding it though. What happens here? So we have A. So we increment this to x. Then we go plus plus again. And we loop back around. And then we check, is it a palindrome? We go I minus 1. It's not. Okay, so we go back here. I plus plus. Is it a palindrome? Okay. Okay, this is really confusing, but I think I understand. Okay. So we first increment everything, and then we slowly go backwards to check if it's a palindrome. Okay. Yeah, this is, I think Gabri's right. This solution is hard to understand. But I think I get it for the most part. Okay, let's try this. Let's take away the solution. Okay. Oh, okay, you got this, Chet. We've been on this problem for like an hour, I swear. Well, we also did an easy problem as a break, so it's fine. Let's first convert S into a character array, right? Character array. S2 characters is equal to S.2. How do you convert a string to character array? I literally just saw this. Java string to character array. Dot to character array. Got you. Dot to character array. Bam. Okay. And then we go from literally right to left. So for loop int I is equal to S2 characters dot length minus 1. And then while I is less than S2 characters dot length. Yeah, okay. While it's in bounds basically. So what do we want to do here? We first want to increment the character, right? So S2 characters, get the last element, S2 characters dot length minus 1. Basically I, right? I plus plus I. And then apparently in Java you can just do plus plus like this. How do you convert a character array back to a string? Java character array to string. String the value of data. Okay. Return string the value of S2 characters. Character array to string in Java. To string S? Really? That's it? I think I like this method. To string S. Okay. Wait. Oh. That's because they define their own thing. new string A, return new string. Okay. I want to just make sure that we're incrementing the last character correctly. Okay, so apparently bracket comes after Z. Okay, that's fine. DD, okay. Sure, we're incrementing the last character now. Okay. So while I is less than s dot to character's length, meaning it's in bounds. Okay, so what happens here? So if we're out of bounds, right, we need to check if the character is out of bounds. If s2 characters at I is greater than or equal to A plus K. That's how they did it, right? Like it's A plus K. Can I literally print out what A plus K is? Well, let's say 1, right? Let's say K is 1. A plus 1 should be B. Yeah, okay. That should be true then. So what do we do here? Then we set s2 characters I is equal to back to A because we wrap around. And then we do I minus minus, we go to the next character. And then we do s2 characters I plus plus once more. Yeah, okay. And then we wrap back around in the loop. And that's how they did it, right? Oh wait, there's also the case where this is not in bounds, is it? So if I is greater than or equal to 0, then we do the carryover. Else we return nothing. Yeah, okay. So this is the case where we do the wraparound. This is the case where we can carry over. This is where we cannot carry over. Okay. Else if this is the palindrome statement, right? So these are all the carryovers basically, though I imagine that we only have max 2 carryovers because there's no way we carry over that much, do we? So else, let's take care of the palindrome scenario later, yeah. Else we do I++ because I guess we go back again to the right to check for palindromes after we carry over stuff. Yeah, okay. Let's run this thing. This should be 1 equal sign. Okay, so 1 becomes A, B, C, Z, A. Very cool. D becomes DD. Yeah, because it's a palindrome. Okay, I think we're on the right track. Time to check for palindromes. Else if... Okay, this is where we check for palindromes now. What do we do here? So there's 2 types of palindromes, right? The first one is my next character. The character to my left is the same as me. Yeah, okay. If Oh man, this is gonna be so complicated to write in conditional statements. If I minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. And s2 characters I minus 1 is equal to my current character. Should I extract out my current character to make this easier? Goddamn. Character, current character is equal to s2 characters I Sure. So if my left character is equal to current character, or if I minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0, meaning the left character is in bounds, and s2 characters I minus 2 is equal to the current character, then you handle your palindrome stuff. Then you s2 characters I plus plus, then you increment my current character. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I think that's it. And then you keep looping around. You know, if we need a wraparound, we do a wraparound. Run. Dang, bro. This is a palindrome again. This is a really... I've never really thought of a loop in this way. Like, I guess we assume that we've incremented something after. Every loop assumes that we've incremented something. Yeah. And then it starts to check what we need to do depending on what we did previously. Submit. We did it, boys. Oh. My brain is so fried. Okay, I'm definitely writing this question down for review. Oh, my brain. This is LeetCode 2663. 2663. And I'm gonna star this. This was really difficult. Jesus. Yeah, it's kind of clever, the solution they gave, right? You slowly go back, you know, do all your carryovers, and then you slowly go back to the right and check for... Yeah, and check for palindromes. Alright. You guys want to do some system design study? I'm probably going to make this really short. Because my brain is fried AF right now. I'm really curious what the other accepted solutions... Oh my goodness. This is just nasty to read. No thanks. I like these solutions better. This is the one we just read, right? Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's do some system design study now. Let's go to my downloads. Alex Shoe book. Okay, so once again, this is going to be the part of the stream where I don't talk as much because I'm just reading and taking notes. We were learning how to design Google Drive, right? Okay, maybe we'll just review what we learned last time. Yes, Google Drive. We are not handling Google Docs. We're just handling the file uploads and getting the files, I suppose. Let's see. Yeah, so in the basic case, we just store everything on one server, one computer in the cloud. All the users are separated by every user gets a folder and they store their files in the folder. But then they're like, okay, what if we overfill that one server's storage? Then we start sharding our servers based on the user ID, I guess. And then we store the user's information on a specific server based on where the user is. And then they're like, okay, what if we want to make it really robust? Then we use Amazon S3 like here, which supports replication, both in region and cross region. So if a server goes down or breaks for whatever reason, we have a backup of everyone's data somewhere. It guards against data loss and ensures availability. Yeah. So the entire structure looks like the user goes through a load balancer. Our servers serve us, and it gets the corresponding external file storage. Yeah. Metadata DB. Okay. The way we handle our conflict stuff. The way they handle conflict is really easy. They just like whoever, it's literally first come first serve. Our system presents both copies of the same file. Oh, never mind. They have a... Okay, yeah, the first version wins, the second version gets processed into a second file, I guess. Okay. I guess that's a simple solution that works. So high-level design. I forgot what block servers are. Upload blocks to cloud storage. Ah, got you, okay. So if the user wants to upload a file, it goes to these block servers, which splits up the file into, little chunks that it can process in parallel at the same time. And that uploads it to cloud storage for, future use. And then for files that are not commonly accessed, they put it into cold storage. Cold storage is like, and I just learned about this yesterday too. Cold storage is like, how do I say this? A cloud storage that is really cheap for storage, but more expensive for reading, I guess. Yeah. Block level storage is a cold storage is a computer system designed for storing inactive data, meaning files are not accessed for a really long time. Yeah. I don't know how they store it actually. Sorry, my eyes are dying right now, so I need to leave. So goodbye. Oh, no worries. Go rest your eyes, man. Thanks for coming, I appreciate. Yeah, so cold storage is for, typically in cloud storage, it's really cheap in terms of storage because of the specific way they store, I guess. Some people said they store on tapes or whatever, but it takes like longer time performance-wise and cost-wise to retrieve it. Okay. User goes to the load balancer. Wait, why is this pointing to here? Reggie. Oh, hi, Reggie. Hi, how are you doing? I'm doing good. Yeah, I've been trying Google interview questions recently, and I've been learning some system design too. Yeah, I made it through some final stages, some coding interviews, so it's looking pretty bright for me, brighter than it used to be. Yeah, how are you doing, Reggie? Okay. I guess that's the upload store, isn't it? Why is the cloud storage pointing to the load balancer though? Cloud storage. A load balancer evenly distributes requests upon. Reggie says, what are you using to take notes? Literally a physical notebook. Can you hear my notebook? Yeah, I'm pretty old school. Okay, so I guess whenever a user uploads or edits a file, it goes to the load balancer. Wait, no, or is this for retrieval? Yeah, this is probably retrieval, isn't it? They go through the load balancer and then the API servers. I don't understand this part though. Cloud storage to load balancer? Oh, because it's a third-party cloud storage, right? So to communicate with our own API server, it probably needs to, I see. It needs to go through our own load balancer and onto our API servers. And then if it's done, you know, storing everything, it'll probably be like completion, job complete, and then we'll mark it in our metadata. Okay, cool. And then our notification service is here. It notifies the user if it can, and otherwise offline backup queue. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, we'll go into the design deep dive next time then. That was a good review. We literally spent like 1.5 hours on a hard question today. We also did an easy question too, so it kind of balances out. Okay, I think that's enough for today then. Thank you to everyone who came. Thank you, Marissa. Thanks, Reggie. Thanks, Mohit. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Most likely. My brain is fried. Bye. Can I rate anyone right now? Nobody I know is usually streaming at this time. Lillian Deer is streaming right now. Well, okay. Yeah, whatever.